Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking capability and enabling the feature. Go to Settings and confirm the phone supports fingerprint answer. Make sure you've enrolled at least one fingerprint. Once done, open Phone or Accessibility and turn on the Call Answer toggle or gesture that links to biometric input. You want quick access, so position the primary finger naturally on the sensor. This reduces misses and speeds response. Make these adjustments now before testing with a real incoming call. Next, you'll fine-tune behavior and validate reliability. Adjust timeout and sensor sensitivity if the option exists. This controls how quickly a touch registers during a ringing call. Make a clear distinction between the finger used to answer versus the one for general unlocking, because that mapping matters. Once configured, run several test calls from another phone, vary placement and speed. Pay attention to misreads and iterate until you get consistent. Fast answers, this prevents missed calls when it counts. To finish, lock in practical habits that keep answering reliable. Wipe the sensor regularly and keep fingers dry. Oil and moisture cause failures. If recognition degrades, re-enroll the problematic fingerprint or add a second one for redundancy. Make sure the phone app has required permissions and that manual answer remains an available fallback. If the feature still fails, reboot the device and repeat tests. If problems persist, consider a software update or contacting support. This single troubleshooting tip, re-enroll prints, fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.